stop playing with him.
JDaVinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. JDaVinci here with a makeup review. I'm going to be doing a lash and lip gloss review from a company called Natalia Me-gan Hair and Beauty. Lashes have become very popular, so I was sent 3 glosses and 3 lashes. I'm going to show you guys the lashes first because they're super easy to show off. These are the 3D Mink lashes in the style Sharya, S-H-A-R-Y-A. Okay, so this is what the first style lashes look like. They're 3D Mink lashes and they're super cute. This is the 3D Mink eyelash in the style Grace. Super pretty. I think these are the ones that I'm gonna try on today. And the last style is called Vegas, which are super natural looking and they're just completely gorgeous. So today I think we're gonna go for, it's like, which ones do you guys want to see me? I know you guys want to see me wear all of them. I will eventually put them all on in tutorials, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're gonna go with Vegas because Vegas is my favorite place. My birthday is around the corner. It's September 7th. Shout out to all my Virgos out there. But we're profesh, so we don't have to use tweezers. So we're gonna give you a lash tutorial right now. So I just put about this much glue on the lashes and then I just kind of take my lash and get it in the position of my actual eye. See, they're just fluffy and all over the place, and those lashes are super in right now. Big luscious lashes are in. I mean, just whatever you like is in. All right, so then I just literally, I have a mirror in front of me. I just take the lash and place it on. And I would normally let the glue dry a bit longer, but my newborn baby is ready for some food. I'm not left-handed at all, but I just use my left hand to put on my left lash, which is difficult. This is a nice, natural, yet voluptuous lash. You guys can see that my makeup, I don't have any eye makeup on, so a big voluptuous lash just kind of makes things look real good. So we're gonna do the other lash real quick and then we're gonna try on the lip glosses. So I actually don't feel like putting on bottom lashes because the lashes are really cute. Okay, so now we're gonna try on the glosses that they sent. This one is like a pretty pink, a pretty pinkish color. So it's coming off as a nice little metallic-y pink color. And it feels good on my lips. I don't know, it's just kind of fun to just keep wiping back and forth on my lips because it's kind of soft. Okay, so the next color is this nice little red. So let's see what this red is looking like. So I'm normally not into like colored lip gloss. However, let's see what this looks like. So I want you guys to know that this is not a lipstick, it's an actual lip gloss. So when I talk, it's not getting on my teeth, which is cool. I do feel the need to just keep putting it on my lips because it feels so good. What do you guys think? How do I look with colored glossy lips? And it doesn't stain my lips, so that's good. So the last color, and this last one is called Coral, and it actually looks like it's going to be a super beautiful color. So Coral is like a bronzy shade. Hello. These are colors I definitely do not have in my lip gloss wardrobe. So I'm gonna just keep saying it. When I wipe it on my lips, it's so soft. Like I just want to keep on wiping. Let me know in the comment sections below which shade you liked best on me, which lash you prefer, which lash you'd like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.